Hi, I'm KP, the founder of Itara. Itara is an e-commerce platform for African brands. We're launching in August with African fashion and beauty brands. The problems experienced by consumers today purchasing African brands include access, quality, price, and convenience. To solve these problems, we have built an app that aggregates the best African brands that have been vetted and with high quality products. We offer a seamless consumer experience to the consumers and they get their product delivered in 3 days. Our market size is a combination of the e-commerce market and the informal production economy in Nigeria. This gives us a total serviceable market of $10 billion. Post-COVID, we are seeing strong adoption of e-commerce in Nigeria. Our competition include Jumia and social networks where our consumers get most of the products we sell. We have over 40 partners that will be launching with us in August, and we are 50% down in the product development. One of our key competitive advantage is that we are pioneering the consumer to manufacturer business model in Africa. We charge a 13% commission on sale of every product on the platform, as well as interest payments on loans we give our partners to manufacture products for the platform. Today, we will be launching by partnering with millennials in organizations to market our app across their digital channels like Teams and Slack. We are seeking $3 million today for hiring, marketing, and to acquire more partners, office rental, warehouse rental, and to give loans. We expect to have 1 million delighted customers in 12 months. I'm the founder and my co-founder who is in charge of product development.